In this episode, Jacqueline puts her sewing skills to work, and we make cushions and mattresses and chaos, and the dog gets in the way. Welcome aboard.
You're really cute.
You're really silly.
Hi, everybody. Hey, it's first week of April, and we are about a month from the boat being in the water. Yay! Hey.
Looking forward to it.
Chloe won't say yay because A, she's a dog, and B, she's actually looking outside right now because there are a lot of bunnies in the next door neighbor's backyard, and she is just on high alert right now. In fact, I think you can see it. So you may hear some barking. Sorry, we'll try and, I don't know, mute that out or something. Anyway, there's a lot of work that's been done for the boat in the last couple of months. And part of it started at Christmas. Mm-hmm. I bought Jacqueline a Sailrite sewing machine.
Awesome.
She's really good with a sewing machine at the best of times. And the Sailrite is top of the line, and it's just absolutely amazing.
Hey everybody, I don't know what was going on with the sound. There was that weird modulation and real tinniness, so I thought I would spare you that agony and instead do some creative editing. With the Sailrite sewing machine, Jacqueline picked up a bunch of foam, fabric, accessories, like piping or zippers, and we spent a couple of days getting everything ready to replace the mattresses in both cabins and a whole bunch of the cushions. We did that because the old foam had really been permeated with smells of many years on the boat. Second reason is that it's kind of fun. And the third, we thought we'd be getting some good cost savings by doing it ourselves. We'll give you a price breakdown at the end of the video. So let's walk you through what we did to redo the cushions. This is the test bed of the cushion bottom with the template on top. And there is that beautiful vinyl material that Jacqueline bought. Of course, now you have to lay everything out. And kind of like a cat, the dog has to get involved in everything. It's exacting work, so measure 3 or 4 times and just cut once. And finally, put all the pieces together, including the zippers, and I think the product turned out great. So?
Well, we'll see.
That's really cool.
So I just have to adjust all the foam.
Yeah, but I think the foam will settle into the case too, right? That's very cool. So what did you do on the bottom? What's that mesh?
That is a no-slip bottom.
Thing?
Cushion bottom.
Oh, okay.
No-slip cushion bottom.
Cool. So we picked up a 5-inch foam mattress because we realized the other one had a couple of moldy bits from, I guess, near the window if that was open and some water got in. So using the trusty carving knife and the miracle of magic markers and cutting, of course, on our living room floor because we're risk takers that way. But this should be awesome once it's done. It already feels really comfortable. Putting foam into a mattress cover is a 2-person job. I didn't film it because you don't want to hear all the swearing, but clearly the foam will settle into place, although it looks a little wobbly and bowed right now. That was an effort. Okay, more chaos. So this is the foam from the forward berth, and then that's the other part of the filler cushion. That's 5 inches, and there's a bevel. So what we've done is cut a piece of foam to the maximum width, and then we've got another bit of a filler, and we're going to cut the bevel along that way. So this place is a little bit chaotic, and we've moved furniture out of the way to try and make this happen. But this is a lot easier to cut than the other stuff. It's not the prettiest bevel that's ever been cut, but using the trusty carving knife on the one hand, and then Jacqueline had an oven mitt and actually held the edge of the blade, or not the edge, sorry, the top of the blade, so she could guide me along that.
Yeah, slight sacrifice.
Oh no! Oh, I'm glad you're okay. It sure was a busy couple of days. And really, it's all testament to Jacqueline's ability to plan and her skill on that sewing machine. All I did pretty much was make the house a little bit more chaotic, provide a lot of moral support, and a bit of muscle, hauling mattresses and foam and stuff up and down stairs. Our main reason for doing this is, apart from the fun, the cost savings. Jacqueline figures that with the foam, the vinyl, and a lot of the other accessories, that we're in for about $800 Canadian. That's not bad, because we do our own labor. What that gets us are the 4 dinette cushions, the forward and aft cabin mattresses, and some seat cushions in the salon. I can't wait until we can show you the finished product on the boat in just a couple of weeks. If you like what you saw, click like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that wonderful stuff, and we'll see you next time.